How to use Allstate Home Insurance as a properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Allstate Home Insurance is widely trusted in the ASA, but many homeowners make mistakes that can leave them underinsured or cost them money. The surprising truth is that having a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it properly. One common mistake is underestimating coverage limits. Many homeowners assume their standard policy covers full replacement costs, but inflation and rising construction costs mean you could be underinsured. Make sure your policy reflects the current value of your home and belongings. Neglecting liability protection is another trap. Allstate policies often include personal liability coverage, but some homeowners reduce it to save money. This can leave you exposed if someone is injured on your property. Failing to update your policy is also costly. Renovations, major purchases, or adding a home office can change your coverage needs. If Allstate isn't notified, claims may be denied or partially covered. Overlooking available discounts is another mistake. Allstate offers savings for bundling home and auto policies, installing security systems, and having a claims-free history. Missing these can cost hundreds each year. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can delay your payout. Document damages thoroughly, report claims promptly, and communicate clearly with your adjuster. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize Allstate Home Insurance. Ensure your coverage matches your home's value, maintain adequate liability protection, update your policy regularly, use discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works effectively and gives you peace of mind in any situation.